Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.5 question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now question number 1. Question number 1 is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Here we are using the identity that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here we are use this identity. Therefore, it can be written as 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square. Since we are getting x square plus 2xy plus y square, therefore it will be x plus y whole square. Therefore, we are getting it as 3x plus y whole square, or you can write it here as 3x plus y into 3x plus y into 3x plus y. That is the answer of question number 1. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This is question number 1. To solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Here we will use the identity that x minus y plus 1. We use the identity x minus y whole square, that is x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy minus 2xy plus y square. We use this identity here, that is we are getting 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square, or we are getting 2y minus y whole square, 2y minus 1 whole square, or we are getting 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. That is the answer of question number 2. Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 is x square minus y square by 100. We'll apply a identity, that is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y, x plus y into x minus y. We'll use this identity here. Therefore, it can be written as x square minus y by 10 whole square, y by 10 whole square. Therefore, we are getting x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10 minus y by 10. That is the answer of question number 3. X plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.